We are the leaders. We are the builders. We are the movers. We are the change makers. We are the story. We are the present. We are the future. We are the moment. We are the inspiration to do things bigger than ourselves. We are the people behind the change that takes our sport to greater heights. We don't just set records, we shatter them. It's time for a new narrative, a new moment. The world is ready for the next chapter, and we're here to write it. Hockey is nothing without its heroes, and its heroes are ready. Who will you inspire?